Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's topic of a discussion, or what I'm going to talk about, is CFD. And I'm going to specifically talk about why the investors are turning to CFDs, especially in a volatile market of the recent times with the pandemic around. So now what is also happening is that because of this volatility, a lot of investors have been writing to me and saying, what are the better options to invest in, or more secure options. To my knowledge, I don't think investors should look at one particular asset. I've spoken about asset classes. I mean, I've actually done videos on William Bernstein's whole concept, the 4 pillars of investment, where he speaks about asset classes. So that's where the investors should look at. And they should not really worry too much about the volatility, but CFDs actually are a great solution in a volatile market. Let's discuss why that is so. So before we jump in, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and also please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my insights, and from my analysis. So now, let's dive in. So first things first, as you know, I have an ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled 6-Figure Corporate Job to a Master Entrepreneur. In this particular book, I've spoken in detail about the steps I took before I quit my job to start an entrepreneurial consulting business, and what kind of challenges I faced, and how I actually got past those challenges. I've also put down 3 worksheets. Now these worksheets are essentially you're asking your mind as to where you stand in terms of becoming a successful entrepreneur. So in these worksheets you could score yourself and see where we stand. So your cumulative score will tell you something. And the cool thing is, I had scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010 when I quit my 6-figure globetrotting corporate job. And you will find out how much I scored and how successful I have been today with 2 companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and representations in the US markets. So the ebook is available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Please click on it. Then you have to put down your name and email address, and the link to download the book will be emailed to your inbox. Go through the ebook. I hope you like it, and then do comment on the ebook. Now let's get into the topic. Let's try and understand what are CFDs. So CFDs are derivatives. So they are derived products. So when a derivative product is aligned to financial assets or products like shares, commodities, forex, and others, it is called a contract for difference. That's a CFD. The value of CFD is arrived at or derived from these underlying assets. So it could be you are essentially playing with the derived value of let's say the stocks that are trading, or the share or the commodities that are trading, or the forex buying price and selling price. So all of that. So now there are inherent benefits to CFDs, and that is the reason why actually there are a few benefits, and those are the reasons why investors and traders are looking to investing in CFDs. Now, let's try and understand those benefits. Now, first, the biggest advantage of CFDs is that traders can buy and sell the underlying assets without actually buying those assets. So they basically work on the value of those assets. Traders can also profit from both rise and fall of prices of those underlying assets. Unlike in traditional trading, if you buy when the price is low and you sell when the price goes up. But in this particular mode of trading, CFDs, traders can actually make money from both the rise and fall of those underlying assets, the prices of those underlying assets. Traders profit from price fluctuations while shorting the market, which involves borrowing CFDs and selling them on the market in the hopes of being able to buy them later at a low price to return to the lender. In doing so, the trader profits from the difference in price. So the profit-making aspect remains the same, but the profit fluctuation, the price fluctuations are actually triggered by shorting the market. So that's where the key difference lies here. Traders can make use of hedging as well. A trader buying a particular share can also short a CFD with the same share as its underlying assets. If the share price falls, the loss is compensated by the amounts earned from the CFD. Very, very rational mode of making money. CFDs can also be treated on leverage, so which enables traders to boost their market exposure and trade bigger volumes for a smaller initial capital because you are leveraging. So, of course, leveraging has its own challenges or risks. When trading on leverage, traders are essentially borrowing money from the broker to multiply the size of their trades. So again, very common principles of trading. Now the risk, trading on leverage can actually be a little more risky, as profits or losses are calculated based on the full size of the position, including any fund obtained through leverage. So that's the risk factor of leverage. But overall, CFDs are great tools for traders, especially in volatile markets, and those are the reasons. So the summary is, if you are looking to making money, whether the price of the underlying asset rises or falls, or if you are using hedging, or you are using leverage, CFDs can be really, really beneficial to any investor, any trader. So that's what I want to talk about today. I did a video on what are the aspects that you should look at before you go into trading. Now, small cap funds is another another area which you can also look at because you could make good money there as well. I did a video on that. I will put that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. It will be useful to you as well. Well, thank you very much. Thanks for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I will put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it and connect with me. I regularly work with clients who look for challenges or find solutions to their challenges in business, marketing, and technology and investment. If you're looking to engaging me as your consultant, please drop me a line on LinkedIn after you've connected with me, or you could drop me a line on the contact page of my website. I will put the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then I I will respond to you, and then we can get into a conference call to see how we can work together. So finally, before I go, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So until my next video, please stay safe, stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.